Running affiliate-only promotions and flash sales is a powerful way to boost sales and reward your top affiliates. If you're looking to drive fast, high-impact sales with your affiliate marketing program, this quick 3-minute tutorial will show you exactly how to set them up. Stick around till the end for a key takeaway that will make your next promotion a success. Let's get right into it. First, it's important to understand the key elements that make affiliate-only promotions and flash sales work. The idea behind an affiliate-only promotion is that you give exclusive access to a select group of people, your affiliates, allowing them to offer deals to their followers that aren't available anywhere else. Flash sales are time-sensitive, creating urgency, and when combined with affiliates, they can bring in massive traffic in a short period of time. To run an affiliate-only promotion, you need to start by setting up your affiliate program if you haven't already. Most affiliate marketing platforms have the tools to handle this, and we'll be using software today that's perfect for the job. Once your program is ready, create a special promo code or link that's exclusive to your affiliates. You want to make sure that these codes or links are trackable so you can monitor the performance of each affiliate. Next, let's talk about setting up your flash sale. Flash sales are short, time-limited offers that create urgency. You should pick a specific time frame, whether it's a few hours, a day, or a weekend, and ensure your affiliates know exactly when the sale will happen. Let them know when to start promoting and when to stop. This will create a sense of urgency for both affiliates and customers, which is key to driving fast sales. Don't forget to make your flash sale compelling. Offer discounts, exclusive products, or bonuses that make the promotion irresistible. Your affiliates should feel like they're getting something extra for promoting your offer. This will keep them motivated to push the sale harder and to reach their audience in creative ways. Now, once your promotion and flash sale are set up, it's all about communication. Keep your affiliates updated with any new information they need to know. Make sure they have all the promotional materials, images, copy, and links to make it as easy as possible for them to share with their followers. The easier you make it for your affiliates, the more successful the campaign will be. Also, consider offering a tiered incentive structure. For example, the affiliate who drives the most sales during the flash sale could win a bigger bonus. This will encourage healthy competition and increase the drive for results. The goal is to motivate affiliates to push harder, knowing they have a chance at more rewards. Finally, monitor your results closely. Use tracking software to see which affiliates are performing the best, which promo codes are generating the most sales, and how your flash sale is impacting your overall revenue. After the sale ends, be sure to thank your affiliates and analyze the data to see what worked and what could be improved for next time. Key takeaway: running affiliate-only promotions and flash sales is all about exclusivity and urgency. Give your affiliates exclusive access to great offers and create a sense of urgency with a well-timed flash sale. Make sure your affiliates have the tools, incentives, and communication they need to drive sales effectively. Quick recap: set up your affiliate program, create exclusive offers with trackable codes or links, run a limited time flash sale, offer compelling deals, keep communication open, and monitor your results. If you're ready to run your own affiliate-only promotions and flash sales, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel and can help streamline your process. Thanks for watching.